Imagine a world where shopping is as easy as having a conversation, where you can discover, compare, and buy products all without ever leaving your chat window. Thanks to an exciting new collaboration between ChatGPT and Shopify, that world is now a reality. Today, we're thrilled to introduce the new Buy button feature, seamlessly integrated into the ChatGPT experience. Whether you're a shopper looking for the perfect product or a merchant eager to reach more customers, this innovation is set to transform the way we all shop online. Let's walk through how this works, what it means for you, and why it's a game changer for the future of e-commerce. Picture this. You're chatting with ChatGPT, maybe asking for gift ideas for a friend's birthday or searching for the best wireless headphones for your morning runs. Instead of sifting through dozens of websites, ChatGPT now taps into Shopify's vast network of merchants and products. It curates a personalized list of recommendations, complete with images, prices, and reviews, all tailored to your preferences and budget. But here's where the magic happens. Right next to each product, you'll see a Buy Now button. No more copying links, opening new tabs, or getting lost in a maze of checkout pages. Just one tap and you're taken straight to a secure Shopify checkout right inside the chat. Enter your details, confirm your purchase, and you're done. It's shopping simplified. Let's see this in action. I want to buy a tire for my Nissan X-Trail car. ChatGPT started with searching the web, and based on the information from the web, it asks for certain follow-up questions, as well as tells that, based on the popular tire sizes for the Nissan X-Trail, here are some tire options that you might consider, and shows the tire images with Buy Now button, from which I can buy the product through Shopify. I can even browse through different sellers and their products and information. The user clicks on the cutting board, reviews the details, and completes the purchase in seconds, all within the chat. I can also ask follow-up questions like, I need something budget-friendly, and it shows the results accordingly. Each product comes with a photo, a short description, and of course, that Buy Now button. It takes us to the Shopify website from where we can purchase the product. ChatGPT even follows up with a thank you message and offers to track the order or suggest matching items. So, what does this mean for you as a shopper? Speed and convenience. No more switching between apps or browsers. Everything happens in one place. Personalized recommendations. ChatGPT understands your needs and curates options just for you. Secure checkout. Powered by Shopify, your transactions are fast and protected. Ongoing support. Need to track your order or get more info? ChatGPT is always there to help. It's like having a personal shopping assistant available 24/7 with access to thousands of unique products from Shopify's global marketplace. But what about merchants? This collaboration opens up a world of new opportunities. Reach millions of new customers. Your products are now discoverable by ChatGPT's massive user base. Effortless integration. No extra setup required. Your Shopify store automatically connects to ChatGPT's recommendation engine. Higher conversion rates. The seamless Buy Now experience reduces friction and increases sales. Real-time insights. Merchants can see which products are trending in chat, helping you optimize your offerings. For small businesses and independent creators, this means more visibility and more sales without any extra hassle. This is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, so will the ways we shop, connect, and discover new products. The ChatGPT X Shopify Buy button is a glimpse into a future where commerce is conversational, personalized, and truly effortless. Imagine planning a vacation and booking your travel essentials all in one chat, or getting instant style advice and buying the look without ever leaving the conversation. The possibilities are endless. If you're a shopper, simply start a conversation with ChatGPT and ask for product recommendations. Look for the Buy Now button and experience the future of shopping for yourself. If you're a Shopify merchant, your products are already eligible to appear in ChatGPT's recommendations. Want to stand out even more? Make sure your product listings are up to date with great photos and clear descriptions. The ChatGPT X Shopify collaboration is more than just a new feature. It's a new way to connect, discover, and shop. Welcome to the next generation of e-commerce. Happy shopping.